Hey y'all, so today I am filming a wig install video. Of course, you know, from the title. This is the wig. This is my first wig I got from AliExpress. I've never gotten a wig from AliExpress. I usually just get them from Walmart. I usually get them from Amazon. But this is my first one from AliExpress and I ordered it on the 29th. It came on the 2nd. Baby, if they gonna come this fast, I made to order them on there all the time. I'm so excited to put this bad boy on. Yeah, this is a wig that I will be installing. I think I'm just gonna do a voiceover on this video. Yeah, we're just gonna get into this. Yeah, this is my first voiceover, so bear with me, please. Right now I am rubbing the perimeter of my hair with alcohol, and yeah. So let me tell you a little bit about this wig. I got it from AliExpress. I'm gonna link it in the description if y'all want to purchase the same wig or check it out or whatever. It was 28 inches, 13 by 4. It was $118, but plus tax it was $124. So that's pretty cheap. It was really soft, so I like that about it. What I can say, the knots did not bleach. Like, I left them in there for 45 minutes. It still was knotting, and I came back after an hour. It still was knotting, so I just washed it off and just placed some tint in the lace and was like, okay, well, that I have to do. It does shed pretty easily. Overall, I can't too much complain about the wig because I really like it. Like, I really love the wig. It's eating, and right now you can see me applying the wig glue. I am using my fingers to spread it out because what better way to spread the glue as thin as you need it than with your fingers. And I feel like that works best to get it all smooth so that it can dry evenly and clear. I started to lay this wig at 202. I had my stepmom do my braid down because me personally, if I did it, I would have did like 6 braids and they wouldn't have been that flat. And the flat base is what's most important. She did me like 12, 13 braids. So y'all should definitely get y'all somebody to braid y'all hair down before y'all do y'all wig, because I doubt that y'all will want to do it yourself. But if you do, kudos to you, because me personally, it definitely makes the process go by quicker, because this is all I had to do was put the wig on. You can see I was making sure that I placed the glue, the wig right where the glue stops, so I won't have too much glue. I want to have no glue on the skin where the wig isn't. So I made sure, and then I'm pressing the wig into the glue with the comb. So here I'm spraying, got to be on the perimeter of the lace, perimeter where I laid the wig. And you got to do this part really fast because it can come back up. So I just sprayed it on there and tied that band down. I made sure I had that band on go for once I sprayed that wig. And you know what E can't say? Band for an hour. And so while I'm banding for an hour, I am straightening the hair.
If I go to jail, hey, money for the bill, hey, money on the scale, hey, give me a minute, yeah, I need a minute, hey, I'm a minute, I'm need a minute, hey, I'm gonna tell you, hey, Cardi B and Pepe. Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. I'm gonna trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she.
See, look how soft and silky. I'm showing you the difference between the two. And right here, I am showing y'all how I flatten out the top of my hair, because I do not, me personally, I do not have a hot comb, and I think that is what's best for me and everyone else, because if I did, I would be burnt up. So I do not have a hot comb. So what I did is use a wax stick and some mousse and straighten that real flat.
Trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. And it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed the boy with no evidence. I pay my dues like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got this stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they wanna one. I treat these hoes like they wanna one. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover and I overcome. I made it play at the tongue, and I had double go with some bubble gum. I got a chain and some another sun, and I jab all enough for my other one. Shout eating crazy, we way in London. I got hat take the yard like a Farrakhan. Now I my hoes on a rear gun. I was there running streets and some marathon. Bitch right pen me build. Take 8 pit and kill. My dope turn to dope. Throw away all of my jokes. Spittle. Been take up no little. I done read them M's on the little. Everything she want, gotta get her. Riding with a bitch in my color. About to dress a bitch up and then cut her. About to feature my pistol with a diamond. About to pull up on you, hold my brothers.
I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore the evidence. But I'm gonna trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it two-tone like the president. Ain't been no back and forth.
You see how flat that is? Yeah. So once you remove that lace band, you want to comb up the hairs so that you can pull your edges out and they won't be stuck down to the lace. And me personally, I did not cut my ear tabs before I put the wig on, because I wanted to make sure that it was going to fit. I wanted to make sure that it was going to fit. It wasn't going to be too small. So I just waited to cut the ear tabs until after I glued the wig down.
And we all look good as fuck. She said she my eye, but I don't know her. Had to look her up. I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm good as fuck. I've been on these bitches' necks so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me dead tomorrow. Bitches be on dick today, sing every word up tomorrow. Bitch, I still got cases open. Keep your mouth shut tomorrow. Play with me today, then
so once I cut the ear tabs, it is time to cut the lace. I'm making sure the razor is flat against my skin, so it won't be straight, like it won't be a straight cut. I seen this hack on TikTok that somebody say they put some lace glue on top of the lace after they cut it, so that it can give like no lace, like seamless. So I wanted to try it. This is my first time trying it, and I mean, I guess it worked. I guess it did a little something. So once I finished dabbing the whole perimeter and like a small layer of glue, I'm gonna let it dry clear, and then I put the band on for like, I guess 15 minutes, and then I'll take it off.
I can't be up in her face, I took her nigga down before. When I lose a nigga, I just pop out and go find some more.
Pulling out the edges has got to be one of the hardest parts to do, because I think I spent like 30 minutes just trying to make sure I pulled out the right amount of edges, making sure they're even on both sides, making sure they don't give too thick, and making sure they don't give too thin. I wanted them to give natural. So this is one of the hardest part, because this is make or break in the wig install. The edges is make or break, because if your edges don't look right, then it's like the rest of your wig install don't look right, because it's like the edges is hard. So perfecting that is something that I don't even think I still got it, but I'm getting it. I don't got it, but I'm getting it. So it's gonna take some time to perfect. I am using a wax stick to push the hair out the way and section off the edges that I'm going to leave out. Now I am using my foundation, whatever. My beauty supply does not have the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, so I have to use the powder one. That's what I'm doing. I am using my Ruby Kisses foundation to blend that in. Then I'm using my Fantasia spritz to melt the lace before I tie it down one last time. I'm tying it down with this like piece of this wig cap. I heard this helps melt the lace, so I did that too, and I can't complain. And then I'm gonna use my lace band over that for an extra secure hold. Like, yeah, you see it. Lace wear, melted, period. So now I'm just cutting the edges. I'm cutting, curling, and styling the edges. And that'll be the final step.
Our ads work as hard as you do by bringing customers and sales closer than you can imagine. Small businesses saw 26% of their sales on average driven by Amazon ads.
Still a fan, even though it's salty. Hate to see you messing around the brand. Are you happy? Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. I'm so mature. They got me in therapist to tell me there's a limit. I one man, I just want you. And if I can't have you, no one should.
To style the edges, I just use mousse and the Got To Be spray. I swoop them, do all that with mousse, and then I spray the Got To Be on my my edge comb, because I don't use the gel. I don't really like using gel. Not for me. So I just spray the comb and Got To Be, and then swoop them with the mousse, and that works perfectly fine. Once I finish the edges, I just tie them down a little bit so they can dry. And then this is the final look. You see the edges real fluffy. You see the lace? No, you don't. And that's the final look. Thanks for watching. Bye.